Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. And the highlight of the briefing is there will be the improvement in rainfall activity over most parts of the country, except some light to moderate rainfall over the northwest India on 6th and 7th of May. And there also will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall activity over Andaman and Nicobar Islands on 7th and 8th of May. Yesterday, the hailstorm activity occurred over the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Marathwada areas, which are given in this orange color in this picture. Similarly, yesterday, the heavy rainfall was recorded over the Uttarakhand, Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha, and coastal Andhra Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall was recorded over Arunachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu areas, which are given in this picture as a yellow and orange colors. And in today's main chief synoptic features, so today we have a western disturbance which lies as a trough in the mid-tropospheric levels, which runs roughly along 80° east, and another western disturbance which is approaching towards the Indian region, and presently it lies over the Iran and adjoining areas in the middle tropospheric levels. In lower tropospheric levels, a cyclonic circulation lies over the Haryana, and another cyclonic circulation lies over the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu and neighborhood areas. Because of these synoptic systems, so if you look into the weather forecast and warning for the next 5 days, so on today, that is 4th of May, there will be the light rainfall activity over some parts of the central India, some parts of the south peninsular India, and adjoining east and west India. And there also will be the isolated heavy rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu on today, and there is also possibility of heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya also on today. So all those areas are given in this picture as a yellow color. And tomorrow there will be the light to moderate rainfall activity over some parts of the central India, adjoining West India, and some parts of the peninsular India is likely. And tomorrow also there is a possibility of light thunderstorm activity over the northeast India as well. And on 6th of May, there will be the influence of WD over the northwest India. So the light thunderstorm activity and light rainfall activity over the region can be seen, which are given in the yellow color. And in the south peninsular India is also there is a possibility of light rainfall, thunderstorm, and lightning activity. However, most parts of the central India adjoining east India will not experience any severe weather on 6th of May. And on 7th of May, there is a light thunderstorm activity is possible over some parts of the south peninsular India, some parts of the interior Maharashtra, and some parts of the northwest India, which are given in the yellow color. And remaining areas are given in the green color. It means in the remaining areas of the central India, adjoining West India and East India, and some parts of the northeast India, there will not be any significant weather. Similarly, on 8th of May, there will not be any significant weather over most parts of the country except some parts of the Karnataka and some parts of the Kerala and Andaman Nicobar Islands, which are given in the yellow color, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are given orange color because the very heavy rainfall is likely over this island on 8th of May. And over the southeast Bay of Bengal, a cyclonic circulation likely to form on 6th of May, and this cyclonic circulation will further intensify into a low pressure area over the same region around 7th of May, and it will further intensify into a depression on 8th of May over the southeast Bay of Bengal. This depression will very likely to move northwestwards towards the central Bay of Bengal and will intensify into a cyclonic storm. And the details of the path and intensification of this cyclonic storm will be provided once the low pressure area will form over the southeast Bay of Bengal. Because of this development over the Bay of Bengal, if you look into the fisherman warning, so on today, there will be the squally weather over the mainly over the some parts of the southwest Bay of Bengal, some parts of the southeast Arabian Sea, adjoining Kerala coast and adjoining the Comorian and Maldives area, which are given in this gray color shaded form. And on tomorrow, that is 5th of May, and day after tomorrow, that is 6th of May, there will not be any severe weather over the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, both the areas. Similarly, on 7th of May, there will be the squally weather which will develop over the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of the Andaman Sea because of the low pressure formation over the region, and mainly the wind speed will be 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph over the region. And on 8th of May, As we can see, there will be the squally weather with the wind speed roughly 50 to 60 kmph is likely over the some parts of the southeast Bay of Bengal, and wind speed roughly along 40 to 50 kmph gusting to 60 kmph is also likely over the surrounding areas of the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea, which are given in this gray color form. And because of this squally weather over the southeast Bay of Bengal, central Bay of Bengal, and the Andaman Sea, mainly the fishermen, small ships, boats are advised not to venture into the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining areas of the Andaman Sea from 7th of May onwards, and over the central Bay of Bengal from 9th of May. And all those fishermen and boats and ships which are already in the sea are advised to the return to the safer place before 7th May, which are over the southeast Bay of Bengal, and those which are over the central parts of the central parts of the Bay of Bengal are advised to return to safer place by 9th of May. And it is also advised to regulate the tourism, offshore activities as well as the shipping activities over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands during 8th to 11th of May. Similarly, it is also advised to regulate the shipping activities over the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of the central Bay of Bengal during 8th to 11th of May. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page and our Twitter page and our YouTube channel. Thank you.